Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to design this water tank. We are going to have this pipe routing, and we are going to have this centrifugal pump check valve and this bore valve. I hope you like it. So let's start. Choose assign assembly, select OK. Cancel this one. So make white plain. So come to design library, extend this design library. So then you will have this option routing. Extend this routing. So you have this ocean piping. So then extend piping, you have this equipment. So before dragging this base, let's view origin. See origin, you see, then come to design library, drag the base. Drag it through origin, coincident, say yes. So do you want another base? No. So let's view coordinate system on the base. Select this one, apply this view coordinate system. So you see my base has 1 2 3 4 tanks, and one pump. Let's apply tank. Come to design library, so choose this simple tank. Okay, so point it to origin. Yes. So do you want second tank? No. Select this tank, right click, fixed, close. Select this one, select here, make it surplus, close. So let's apply tank, another tank. So come to design library, choose this tank 5, apply it here, coincident, yes. Do you want a second tank? Yes. Apply it here, yes, coincident. Do you want 30? No. Cancel. So let's drag another tank, this one. So drag it here. Do you want second ones? No. So let's insert pump. Choose this one, centrifugal pump. Yes. Do you want second one? No. Let's rotate this one, rotate component. Okay. Say yes. So select this face, choose mate with this one. Say yes. Okay. Select tank, right click, fix. So it is not still moving. See? This yes. So let's hide this coordinate system and origin. Hide this one. Yes. So let's apply routing system. Come to this one, option, add-ins, then select this Solidworks routing. Say yes. Wait a moment. Okay, we need this piping, so we don't need this tubing. Cancel. We don't need that tubing. Yes. So let's apply flange. Come to design library, choose this flange. Then drag and drop. So slip on flange 150 nps 5. Say yes. So save, yes. choose for the pipe routing assembly. Save. Then assembly one. So then system suggests you these options. Always choose elbow because we are going to connect these flanges in a different direction. That's why you choose elbow. Then say yes. So let's apply another flange. Design library, drag flange here. So for this one, you have different size of flange. So click on this list all configurations to see the same flange. Slip on 160 NPS5. Say yes. Do you want another? No. So then come to this piping. You see this option auto route. So let's current selection, select this point and this one. The system suggests you this route direction, so but the problem is this is passing through inside the tank. So let's have some adjustment. Come to this flash ups and down, select this one. See, so this one looks perfect. Say yes. So let's apply some valve here. Come to design library, choose valve and choose this one, balloon valve with gauge. Okay, let's have this one. Say yes. Do you want second one? No. So let's apply flange. Choose this one and come to flange, drag one flange here. Say yes. Try to rotate to have to see another side. Say yes. Cancel. This one looks perfect. So select this one, right click, exit assembly. So this one looks perfect. So let's try to connect this centrifugal pump with this inside the tank. Yes. Come to design library, choose flange, drag flange to this centrifugal pump. Yes, with this size 150 NPS5. Yes, and make sure it is always elbow. Say yes. So rotate to see this underside of this tank and drag flange from design library with the same size. Yes, with the same size. Say yes. Do you want another? No. So let's try to have route direction from this point up to this one. So go to route, auto route. Select this point and this one. So for this time we don't need any change for this one. It looks perfect. Yes, select yes. Let's add check valve to this point. Choose valve and have this one check valve, this one. Yes. Say yes. No. Do you want another? Cancel. So let's assign flange. Choose flange, apply flange, drag and drop. Yes. So rotate to see another side. Yes. Cancel. So then let's exit. Right click, exit assembly. So this one looks perfect. So let's hide this sketch. Hide this sketch. Yes. So let's try to connect this one. Choose flange, drag flange. On this one you have on the flip side NPS2. Say yes. And make sure it is elbow. Say yes. So drag another flange to connect this one with the same size. You need 30, no. So choose auto route. Select this point and this one. So here we know we don't need any change. Say yes. Let's apply valve. Choose this one, ball valve, and try to fix it here. Cancel. So let's exit. Right click, exit. So you see, this is good. So let's try to connect this one and this. Choose flange. Apply flange. Drag this one. Yes. Elbow. Say yes. So let's drag another flange to this one, the same size. Cancel. So let's apply auto route. Select this point and this one. So here we need some change. So let's come here and try to have this adjustment. So this one looks perfect. Say yes. So let's try to have valve. Select valve and choose this ball one. Say yes. Do you need second one? No. So right click on this, then exit assembly. So this one looks perfect. Hide sketch. Hide sketches. So let's assign appearance. Select this one. Appearance base. Say yes. Select tank, right click, appearance, tank. Select this one. Yes. So let's have this tank appearance. Have this one and select this one. This is good. So select the tank, then apply appearance. Of this one. So friends, this is how to design a simple tank in Solidworks and pipe routing. I hope you have liked the video. So subscribe to the channel to get more. So friends, thank you.